For today's meditation, we're going to focus on our breathing and how breathing can help us come back to the present moment. Let's start by uncrossing our legs and our hands and sitting in an upright, dignified position. With your hands, you can choose to rest them palms up on your knees or cup your hands by having your weaker hand held by your dominant one on your lap. At this time, gently close your eyes. Let's start by allowing yourself to feel your feet on the ground, wiggling your toes. As we move up the body, let's take a moment to notice some of the physical sensations involved in sitting in this moment. Place your attention to the chair that you're sitting in. Feel how your back is supported by the chair. Notice that it is cradling you and holding you. As you keep your breath moving in and out, deliberately and curiously notice any sensations of touch and pressure where your body makes contact with the seat or where your feet make contact with the floor. Continue to hold these physical sensations at the front of your awareness. Simply notice how perhaps they come and go, change in intensity, or stay the same. Observe the types of thoughts that hook or distract you. If your mind wanders to these thoughts, plans, or problems, notice that your mind is wandering. Notice or observe the thought as it enters your awareness. Say, "Thank you," and simply reconnect with the sensations of your body in the seat and your breath. Your breath is an anchor you can return to and simply start again. If you are perhaps distracted by sounds in the room, simply notice them and then bring your attention back to your breath. Simply breathe as you breathe, not striving to change anything about your breath. Notice and observe your experience in this moment without judgment, paying attention to each inhale and exhale and physical sensations in your body. Wherever you are, take a nice deep breath in. Hold it at the top and exhale as you gently open your eyes and ease back into the room. Try to stay seated as you are, taking a few deep breaths in and out as you reconnect with your body. this ends the meditation.